Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Among Us Ghostface. Ghostface is from Scream. Really cool villain. This is a very simple and a very easy step-by-step tutorial. It's for beginners, so if you've never drawn anything in your life, you will be able to draw this. It's only an 8-minute video, so I want you to stay around to the very, very end because then you'll fully learn it. That's pretty much it. Pretty easy. Only 8 minutes. So let's get started, okay? Before we do that, if you love learning how to draw video games, movies, and your favorite characters from everything, pretty much, hit the subscribe button right now. When you do that, it's going to let you know when I post so that you'll be notified on your feed. Your feed will just show a little thumbnail when you're scrolling around. And I post daily. So, all right, let's keep going. Let's start going here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the ghost face itself because I think that's part we really want to get over. Curve right here, so you're making like a top of a I don't know, looks like a thumb or something, the top of a finger or something like that. We're gonna pull it outward a bit. It's gonna pull outward because that ghost face mask itself pulls outward at the cheeks. And then I'm gonna from here pull it down longer for that long mouth. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Gonna go over here and curve underneath. And let's handle his face. We can do this in thick lines too even, so I can do this. I'm gonna, almost looks like this big old apostrophe or something on one side for one eye. And then it's gonna do the same thing on this side. It's almost like it's curving in, right? His eyes curve in. That's a big part of his character. And then after you do that, you can kind of shape him around a little bit. Maybe make him a little rounder on one edge here, right? Maybe make it a little rounder. You might not even have to do the roundness part. You could just leave it as that before. Let's do his nose, and it's gonna be a tiny little, almost like the top of a triangle, like it almost looks round though. Right between that. And let's do the mouth. Let's take that line method, right? Let's say if I just use the side of the marker and do that. Like that could work. We're gonna do more than that. Let's round it around. Let's make it round on the edges there. Alright, so we got the face mask, which is the hardest part. Let's do the easy stuff, okay? I'm gonna go over here, do the top of, we're gonna draw the crewmate's body. So I'm gonna go maybe around the top of the mask somewhere, and I'm gonna curve the line back for the back of the crewmate. Like the head, you know, the top of the head, sorry. Gonna curve over here a little bit for the back of the head. And I'm gonna pull this straight down for the entire back. How far is that gonna go? You can kind of decide. Usually I go maybe just like this, maybe not even ×2, that'd be too long. Maybe like 2/3 of the mask size added on, right, ish. It's cool because you can kind of guesstimate. Go to the front over here first though. Pull a line here for the front of his body. He's got those teddy bear feet, so I'm gonna curve around here, right? Bottom of this flat foot, like teddy bear touching the floor, pulling up, pulling in, and then pulling up again. Gonna go maybe around the eye level or so and draw a line over here for the backpack. And maybe around the lower waist, I'm gonna draw a line over here for the lower part of the backpack. And the idea is that I'm going to pull out over here, curve down, and then pull in to kind of connect it. Like so. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to, well, you could fill it in because it is entirely a black outfit. Or, let me draw a thicker line on the outside of this. Or, you could just throw a thicker line around the whole thing. So, I am going to draw a thick line around the entire thing. Line over here, just a thick line to kind of stickerize it. It looks like a sticker or something like that. We draw a very, very thick line on the outside of just the contour. And I'm not tracing every line here, it's just the outside lines. It makes it look more like a sticker. It makes it look more, I don't know, it just makes it look better in some way, more contained. And that's kind of what I want to do. Right there. And if you want, you can always adjust the lines on the inside. Like the mask itself, I'm thinking maybe that'll have like a thicker line. And these are kind of the details that you're just thinking about. Nothing wild, nothing big as far as massive details go, but it's pretty simple that way. And that is it. I want to thank you very much. If you found this very easy, which you should have, hopefully, hit the like button and hit the share, basically. If you did find it easy, share it with somebody that you think will enjoy it. Halloween is, you know, like a little bit over now, but you know what? It's fun to do it with villains and stuff like that. Hopefully you enjoyed this and were able to do it and just found the video and boom, it was easy. That's pretty much it, okay? I'll talk to you in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget, check out the stuff in the description that's made to make you a better artist. Go look at those links. There's a whole lot of stuff in there, like other playlists. There's a cute drawing ebook, and there's other things in that playlist, okay? So I want you to go there after this video, or even right now, and go check it out, okay? Talk to you next time, and I will see you very, very soon. And when you're drawing, I want you to keep it easy.